हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द वीकली मूवी रिकमेंडेशंस विद संकेत। सो आज के एपिसोड के लिए मैंने एक स्पेशल गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया है जिसका नाम है वनिका संगतानी। वनिका मेरी कॉलेज की जूनियर है और उसने 16 साल की उम्र में अपना एनजीओ स्टार्ट किया था जिसका नाम है डिनाइड। उसने डिनाइड के थ्रू ही अपने बहुत सारे अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों की हेल्प की है। वो एक सिनेफाइल भी है जिसने बहुत सारे फिल्म्स और बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे फिल्म्स देखे हैं। Over to you, Vanika.
Hi guys, Namaste. My name is Vanika, and today I am very excited because I am here on this series called Weekly Movie Recommendations by Sanket Mistry. Though the person himself recommends the most amazing movies, and the vision and the eye he has for movies is something that I cannot match, but I'll still try to tell you all about two movies that have impacted me like big time. So the first movie is called Capernaum. Capernaum. It was recommended to me by a friend and I was not watching it. But one day I decided कि finally देख ही लेते हैं. So I started watching this movie, and by the end of it, I feel my life entirely changed. Imagine like a 11-12-year-old boy who seems like a very normal kid standing in court and saying to the judge that I want to sue my parents because they brought me to earth, like they gave me life. The movie starts with that. Amazing direction by Nadine, and the kid is called Zen. And Zen's life journey is like a big lesson for all of us. And I'm not giving you any spoilers. If you haven't watched it, just imagine that one scene where a 11-12-year-old boy is standing in a court saying this to a judge, and watch that movie. So the second movie that I would want to recommend you all is The Pursuit of Happyness. And happiness here spells differently. It's HAPPYNESS, and it's available on Amazon Prime. So if I tell you about this movie, it was recommended to me again by a friend when I was struggling to know if I want like a paid internship or an unpaid internship, and how would I manage. I need money and everything. So I was going through this quest, and that is when my friend suggested me to watch this movie. And by the end of the movie, I did not get any answer, but I felt a lot better because the movie is very precious. It's about this character called Christopher and how he's in this quest and how he's just finding out something that would give him happiness. And he gets divorced in middle, and he has the custody of his kid, but still he's doing an unpaid internship. And the story unfolds धीरे धीरे करके, and it's very precious. By the end of both of these movies, you get tears in your eyes, and you will realize that maybe you haven't got answers, but you have felt precious and blessed for having watched these movies. So yeah, the two movies that you need to watch if you haven't already is Capernaum. I feel जब मैंने Capernaum देखी थी तो I believed कि मैं सबको पकड़ के Capernaum दिखाऊँ. मतलब I wanted everybody to just sit and watch. It should be legally binding for everybody to watch Capernaum because it's so good. It's so good. So please watch the movies. And I feel the rest of it, the direction, the casting, everything is very brilliant. I'm no god of it. I don't know, like I'm not a professional in this. But as a person who like just observes movies, as a person who like likes movies, I feel both these movies are going to definitely make you feel better, and like just not, if not end the quest, they'll just give a direction to your quest. So thank you so much. I hope you liked it, and all the very best. Sanket, you're doing really nice job, and so blessed to have been a part of this amazing show, which is called Weekly Movie Recommendations by Sanket Mistry. But hi, I'm Vanika.